Principal Secretary badi page ikatan Thanjan ke jela uba F.R Kharkongor IAS mantakas ngigar pratrik sau arajar perusahaan loong ba kakam Thanjan de kakam kabla penek pensa tang hakinong kendong bat lapoi put ba kelajan dujai ya kene lakren hak jelang kabla State Convention Center loong ba kejing trilang naik babun nadu kisnong githau kirusmen ba sarkar kane kam Thanjan menta kelas dang imbyang bar sarkar kelai yak kejing itu yak than den diwan kum kathan ba penmi yak jain ryndia nadu snem hajar arpoi hadin kane sarkar kala perkhan ban apply yak geographical identification henry hagabas dang kadon kejing kumta lahab ban lum ban lang yakan Thanjan bar kumju na jingthoh kibla shem bala thoh kumba arspa la spa snem menswa bar kladon ru kajing wat bnya ya ka Thanjan ha riboy baro kawai kane kajing lang kalong ba kumno banyo ya kajing itu banai lapenmi ya jain.
We all know that in the month of February, the state was recognized and awarded GI for India, and since then there has been a lot of highlighting of this aspect right from the level of the Honorable Prime Minister. In fact, Honorable Prime Minister had mentioned it in his Man Ki Baat, which was broadcast sometime in June. Coming to Meghalaya, up till a few years ago, sericulture and weaving was a very local village-based activity, and it was almost at the on the verge of I should say dying out. But through concerted efforts by various stakeholders, including the government, various departments, and the people at the grassroots level, there has been an upsurge India has undertaken. And recognizing this from Department of Textiles, development was the declaration of Umden Diwan as the first Eri Silk village way back in 2021, where through an official gazette, the various activities of the Umden Diwan cluster was recognized, and the state and that village was recognized as the first Eri Silk village. So since then that journey started, and there was a thought in the minds of the department that we should seek to apply for GI, but we encountered problems because we did not have a registered user group. Motivated Mr. Precious Moon and his group of weavers to mobilize themselves, and after the department facilitated the mobilization of the organization, then historical records which date back to 200-300 years ago from the British archival material which we sourced from Britain. We had a lot of materials which we sourced from various countries, including France. In fact, there was an image, there was a sketch of the daughter of the Raja of Cherpanji, dressed in an airy Jensen, the two-piece dress that we have. So that appeared in a sketch in a French magazine 200 years ago. So things like those, plus we also drew on the source material of many other researchers. There was another Scottish researcher called Anna who had done a lot of research work on the Khasi textiles, on the ryndia and the work in Riboy, which was published in the University of, in the Royal College from London, and then also it got featured in the Journal of the Oxford, textiles. So all these materials we collated, apart from the production, right from farm to fiber, fiber to fabric, fabric to fashion, the entire documented, engaged heavily with stakeholders, with the people from the field, and we were called for a GI here in 2024, and there we were able to place and we were able to showcase all these historical as well as archival records, as well as the unique manner of production. Apart from that, one very important aspect that I would like to highlight with you is that this activity, in fact, benefits over 50,000 families, which is quite a large section, considering that Meghalaya population is about 30 lakhs. 50,000 is quite huge if you if you translate them into, and I'm talking about families only, so it could be into 4 and 5. So as per records, there are about 47,430 sericulture farmers and 42,755 weavers and allied workers directly or indirectly involved.